Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the super good office chair from Flexispot. I think that I've tried many chairs in the past, I've tried many really good chairs, but there's something that I've never seen before with this Flexispot chair. This thing right here, this surface right here, this cushion is extremely soft, like super soft. Not only soft to the touch, which probably you're gonna hear right here with my microphone, but it's not only super soft to the touch, but it's also really soft when sitting. Like, I don't know how this is gonna, it's like a memory foam, but it goes beyond the memory foam. I really don't know how it is. I think it's like a super high density memory foam. It's really cushioned. I can't stress how much soft and cushioned this is. I don't know how this will behave like in the hot summer days. I don't think it's gonna be an issue. But I need to say that this, and not only here, and I'm gonna show you that in a few seconds, but also here, like in the footrest, it's kind of like the same fabric, like the same softness that this right here. So I have to say that it's a really good chair for relaxing, like super chilling, relaxing, and maybe even napping. Let's talk about this chair a little bit. So the lumbar support right here, this section right here is really good. It's a dedicated lumbar support. I really like when they come with a dedicated lumbar support, like a separate piece for your lumbar support. It's a really good one. Let me actually show you. That gives me a really nice sitting position. I have to say, like an uptight sitting position. You can see it has a headrest that you can tilt and you can modify the height as well, just right here. So I think that one actually pair with the lumbar support, it's really good. I really like the fact that right now it's locked, like the recliner, which by the way, it's amazing. The recliner is locked right now, but I really like that even with the recline lock, it gives you a little bit of like a relaxing position. As I was saying before, I think this is more for productivity, working and relaxing. It's not an executive chair, but it feels like it, I have to say. So let's talk about the armrest. You can modify the height, which I think it's really good. I love the fact that you can do that. And they're padded. They're kind of like, they're not, they don't have a cushion inside, but they kind of like have some, like a padded rubber pad, which I think it's really good. And having the chance to actually work with different heights on your elbows, I think it's really good. The mesh feels perfect. It comes in different colors, this one, but the mesh feels really good, like elastic, but also that gives you a really nice support. I can, like this thing right here, I don't know what this is. Again, I think it's like a super high density thing, but it's so cushioned. Then let me show you something that this goes beyond if this chair is comfortable or it's not. It is comfortable 100%, but having all that softness and cushioness, and I'm gonna unlock it now, just like that. And oh wow, this is extremely comfortable. I have to say that this is a really good. Let me actually see if I'm on spot on the camera. Actually, I'm gonna rotate so you can see it better on that side. This goes beyond the actual comfort of the chair. This is more for, I don't know how to say. I think it's more for like napping. I have to say, like, this is a really good chair for I'm working. Boom, 60 minutes. I'm gonna take a quick nap. Boom, lunch hour, napping. This is an extremely comfortable chair, but as I was saying before, it's not that it's like the most comfortable chair of all times for working, but it is for kind of like chilling, relaxing, productivity, switching to napping. I'm rapping and I'm making rhythms right now, but I don't know, rhymes, not rhythms. This is a really good chair for that purpose. Locked again, as every other chair, you can just modify height for sure. But I have to say that I'm surprised, like really surprised about the feature of how soft this chair is. I really like it. I extremely recommend it 110%. It's a really good one. I do like the color as well. So thumbs up, extra thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.